Hey everyone, welcome back to another brand new episode. This is my YouTube channel Take Wash. Guys, let's start the video. Tap settings icon on your home screen. Tap Apple account on your screen. Tap sign in and security. Add email or phone number. Add your phone number. Tap continue button. How to check your verified number on your Apple account. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe now.